Hi, I'm Amy Karanik. I'm in the Sculpey Design Studio to show you the Sculpey Magic Clay Mega Activity Set. This set is perfect for any of the child crafters in your life. It comes with so many great bars of clay, a lot of really fun tools for kids, and you also get this instruction manual that teaches you how to make all of the super cute projects. This kit comes with 24 bars of 4 different types of clay. There's bendy clay, eraser clay, glitter clay, and our traditional bake shop clay. The clay in this kit is like magic. We've included clay that bends, and this clay bakes at 285 for 20 minutes, which is a little bit hotter than the bake shop clay. We also have eraser clay, which bakes at 250 for 20 minutes, and this allows it to erase pencil lines. This baking time and temperature is a little bit less than bake shop. There's also our glitter clay and our traditional bake shop. These both bake at 275 for 15 minutes. It's super important that you pay attention to the specific baking times and temperatures for each one of the different types of clay. The kit also comes with a reusable silicone crafting mat to create on. It's so easy to use because it sticks to the table. We've also included a ruler and some basic shapes for quick reference along the edges. The 16 modeling tools are plastic and they're really easy for little hands to use. And we've also included some really cool accessories to add some extra fun to your finished projects. There's backpack clips, rhinestones, wires, a cord, and a ribbon. The instruction manual will show kids how to create super fun projects. There's a bendy gecko. You can make an eraser clay cactus, an eraser rainbow, a sparkly frog bracelet, and 3 backpack charms, a sparkly cupcake, a cute cat, and a donut with rhinestone sprinkles.